let's have welcome guys. This is Admire FX. Admire FX once again. Actually, this is weekend, so during weekends, you like to have a breakdown of our charts, breakdown of our weekly charts for the week, or what to project for the week. This is a crash 300. This crash 300 synthetic indices. So nothing much. Just 300 has been selling. I took some sales here and exited here. I gave the signal to my VIP students. I took some sales here, exited at this level. So actually, nothing much is happening. Still trying. See 300 is on a very nice trend. Down is trending down. So let's see. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. All right. So let's project where we are looking for our next levels. Let's see 300. This resistance level down here. Yes, that's our next level targets for sale. So this area down here, we look for rejections, candle formation in this area. See 300 is still coming down. Down trend for C300 for those that love trading C300. Alright, let's go to other pace. Actually, is a weekly uh, breakdown for most pace. Let's check V10. Most people love trading V10. I do too. Even currently on the V10 trade, synthetic indices, even on weekends, you'll be trading. So I've been here, I've been on this trade for like how many days now? I think like 4 days now. Yes, 4 or 5 days now. I've been holding, taking profit. So there was a little drawdown for me here. Thank God it did not hit my stop loss. Almost close, few pips. So I'm still holding, still down. There's a very strong confirmation on the sell. Even when you check here from previous days, I've been excuse me, I've been trading the market down, predicting these sales down for V10. I think I had a screenshot here. Yeah, this is the before and after for V10. I still favor V10 to the downside. All right, V10 down to this level. Though V10 is ranging, it's consolidating on a crucial area, but if you look around here, this level is a very strong level, a very strong key level. But let's just say, be it as it may, peradventure it breaks this level and goes up. We look for a rejection back to this level and take our buys. That means the sell trend will be over. But the sell trend just got started because there was actually a whole big, this area was ranging for months, and now this zone here too is ranging. Actually, I've made a lot of money from V10, from this range, from up, going up and coming down. But since this last buy trade, due to the confirmations and rejections I had here, I had to favor the downside. And if you check here on V10, you see you have some good confirmation. My students will know how we do that. All right, so how we got that sell confirmation. I drop signals for people that were interested too. So I think yeah, yeah, this is a signal. I think I dropped it to one of my VIP mentees. evenings I check your V thing. I think that was Wednesday. What was the date? Wednesday is like how many days ago? Like 5 days ago. Yeah, Wednesday. So since then we have been having sales, although we had some few weak rejections, and thereafter this is what has happened, which I had to chatting back that our sales are going just as predicted. Right, so we still favor the downside, but at 100% retracement, 100% retracement, take out 50% of our profits, and we hold the rest. So let's check some other trend. Let's check some other markets. V10 is a sell for me for the week. The sell, we already had confirmations here. Which other pay should we check out? Okay, V25, yes. I've been trading this space for weeks now and it's giving me good money. Alright, yeah, I just closed this 2 days ago. Just sniper entry, sniper exit. You had very strong buy confirmations here. I don't know what's happening uh, to my PC. It loves deleting my entries. Love deleting my entries and some key level marked out here. But I think this last one is still there because the profit was being took a few days ago. So V75, this is for our V25 is for our time frame. I still favor the upside due to our confirmations. Market has to breathe in and breathe out. I still favor the upside. It's just try to excel. So I still favor the upside for V25. All right. So between these levels, we are looking for other candlestick reactions and patterns to form here, and for our bullish closing, then we can enter for buys in this zone before the stop loss. So between this blue line and this black line, are looking for entries. Even though here looks like more of a sniper entry and a 50 level fib retracement, if you actually drag this fib retracement to here, yeah, it's more like a 50 level fib retracement from this high to this low, from this low to this high. But you don't just click on buys or sells. Trading is all about patience. So we just have to wait for a perfect confirmation closing here, candle closing 4 hour, then we can confirm our buy. So I will still from this zone, from this blue line to this black line, because could still pass here, dangle around the 50 level and the 618 level, and so we're still looking for. I'm still watching the markets to looking for more buy entries or another set of buy entries on this trend. All right, so the trend, I think the trend on V7 V25 is about to change. V25 is about to change. Well, let's just be patient and watch out to see what's going to happen. So that's for V25. Which other pay? I think we have touched V10, V25. We did Crash 1000. Yeah, there's a very nice setup there on Crash 1000. Crash 1000 is making me a lot. Yes, I know most people might be scared about trading against the spike, but with our strategy and our confirmations, you can trade against spike. Be it buy or sells, they are all entries. All right, so uh, I had a short entry here. You asked me why a crash 1000 here is buying, I took profit somewhere at this high, this week of this high here. I took profits here. So 50% retracement, sorry, 100% retracement to take profit. Second level target is here, up here. So we still project buys for bullish trend for C100. If you look closely, I think there is a divergence down here. And for you guys that know how to trade divergence or divergence confirmations, so crash 1000 is a buy for me. You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Yes, you can either trade. You can trade the spikes or trade against the spikes. Either which way is all money. You're just still going to make the same pip, same money from it. Just that trading against the spike is not really good for small accounts. But even though with small accounts you have a sniper good entry, you can trade the spikes like I just did here. I made uh, but it was a good trade. It was a good trading week for me though. Trading week and month for me. So I think we should look at one more pair before we close. Let's see step index. Let's see what's happening on step index. Let's see what's happening on step index. Okay, step index, very nice trend, though it has been going up, down, up, down, up, down. We're still on this trade, still on this trade, still have few positions left on this trade. Took some profit. Yes, I still have like one position left here. So took from some profit, 100% retracement here. Took some profit, but we're still favoring the upside. Step index is still gonna go up. It's bullish. Step index is bullish. Alright, so that's our weekly projection for step index is bullish. V10 is selling, and V25 is bullish. C1000 is bullish. C300, did I go through that? I think yeah, C300 is selling. So that's my weekly projection for all the trades. See you next time. Is a boy at my FX. Catch you on the other side. Ciao.